on, Maple. So I'm walking Maple. Welcome to the next vlog. Anyway, it's my first clip for it today. And I know we had a little bit of snow the other day, but now it's gotten really warm. It's like 55, and it rained overnight, and there was like wind. So pretty much all melted, but it's a nice day to just go for a long walk with her because it's so warm. And it's not raining again yet. It looks like it might. So yeah, we're doing a really long walk. She loves long walks. She needs to get some of that energy out. Spoke too soon about the rain because now it's thundering. But it's not much rain, it's just a little sprinkle, so not really a big deal. Maple doesn't care anyway. Guys, now hail is falling. Well, it just was hail. There's a little bit mixed in. Maple, are you good? I'm gonna shield you. Come on, let's go. Let's go. She don't care.